So we're at it again. I've got my little basket right there that we're gonna fill everything up with. I've gotta go to Home Goods, you guys. I need to like reorganize my life over here. So let's go ahead and get started first with brow products. As always, I just like to rotate this stuff, but I think I'm gonna take probably some of the brow products that I have from my Shop My Stash. I think I should do that. For primer today, I do want to do, what do we want to do? You know what, let's go in with this. This is the FARSALI SKINTUNE Blur. I think I want to try that. Why is this so difficult? You know, I think until I can get a new mattifier, I'm just going to use this. For foundation, I think I definitely want to do something lightweight. I think I'm going to go in with the 24-hour FRESHWEAR, and I'm going to mix it because I definitely need something a little bit thicker, or not thicker, I need something darker. So I'm probably going to mix it with I might take a little bit of the ARUBA foundation. I'm going to be a hot mess today, you guys, but it's fine. I'm going to be inside. I want to use the Beauty Bakerie flour. Bitter, not bitter. No, better, not bitter is what it says. I'm going to use that, and then for the rest of my face, just to set everything, I do have my pressed powder already, so I might just go in with a normal pressed powder. But all right, now we're moving into this drawer. So last weekend, we played with the Born to Run. I had so much fun with that, you guys. And now we're moving into this drawer. So I've got a whole bunch of really random palettes in here. You know, I've got like these alter egos, which are supposed to be dupes for different types of palettes. I've got Huda Beauty in here, and I feel like I played with Huda Beauty. BoxyCharm, I've got some Lancome, Alamar, Zoeva's over here, Iconic London, Lorac. We did Lorac already. And then I've got some Ace Beauty, Persona, which this was kind of the one that I was eyeing because I really haven't done anything with this. And I actually won this in a giveaway from Ashley Lamora. So this one was actually one that I've played with like on my own, but I haven't really played with it. I guess I should say like on a video. And now I've got Dash, but I was thinking of doing, you know, something with like those browns. And then the other one I kind of had in mind was like either the Ace Beauty palette, Ace Beauty, however you say that, or the Sigma one. What's over here? Kat Von D. I'm not going to do that because I got a lot of shade the last time I played with the Kat Von D stuff. So I think I'm going to do the Persona palette. Yeah, let's do the Persona palette. I need to get me like a plant or something right here. I haven't gone to Home Goods. That's why everything is so bare. But that's my plan, is to go to Home Goods and get like some decor so it doesn't look super messy. But for right now, we're putting that there because it's like there's like a bump or something and I don't like it. It just looks hideous. Today's video is our throwback tutorial. You guys just saw us pick out everything. Today I decided to do my brows first. So what I do is I kind of just take a little bit of powder, whatever powder's left over from a sponge, and I just kind of dust that on my brows because I have pretty oily brows. I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow. Today I'm using the shade 3.5. Basically do my brows with this, but I'm also going to take another product to help kind of enhance it also. Like adding powder to the brows before even doing it makes such a huge difference. If you haven't done it, you need to. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the CoverGirl Easy Brow Gel, and I'm going to use this to kind of enhance the brows a little bit. See how it just gives it a little bit more color? Still to fill it in with my brow pencil. So while that's drying, I'm going to go into this brow and finish it. I got my brows done. Let's go ahead and just conceal. I am going in with the e.l.f. Camo Conceal for my brows as like a base, or my brows, for my eyes as a base, because I do find that it helps so much. Like it's thick enough, you know, and it just like gives a nice clean base. So this is the Persona, I think what's called the Persona 2 Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. You do get a really nice array of colors. You can see I like gashed it right there. I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Loyal. And Loyal is what we're going to use for basically our entire eye. So really, I'm just going to pack it on right now. Oh God, I hope this comes out well. I hope it comes out well. Holy cow, that blended out so easy. All right, so I totally wasn't filming that, I don't think. That sucks. Anyways, we'll do it again together on this eye. I'm kind of pissed now. I knew this was going to happen to me. Just that day. I'm going to go in with the shade Brave, which is this chocolate brown shade. And I'm going to take it on a much smaller brush. And I'm just going to start mapping out my halo eye look. I was saying when the camera was turned off, these eyeshadows come off way cooler. I don't have any product on this brush. I should probably take a little bit and just start blending out these edges really quickly. You can see it's a little difficult right there. I'm going to take it right here on the inner corner. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this here, which is called the Sigma E33. It's a much smaller, more precise brush. I'm going to take the shade called Passionate right here. And I'm going to use this brush. Ooh, that's a lot. And I'm going to use it to blend out the two shades. So I'm just kind of following along the edges. And with no additional product, I'm going back to the very first brush and I'm just buffing everything out. I'm going to blend out a little bit more with the Passionista shade right here on the inner corner. So now the question is what color do we want to do for the center? This yellow one is definitely one that is calling my name. This is Unique. Then I have Independent, which is like a grayish purple blue shade. It's very difficult. Do that, but then that would make it a very smoky eye. And then I have this beautiful like soft champagne called Honest. Thinking of taking Empowered maybe and doing Empowered mixed with a little bit of Honest, so like mixing these two together. Here's Resilient, which is like a nice, love that shade. Look at that. I was doing a halo look and now I'm like, oh wait, Driven. Driven's green. It's like a forest green. It's beautiful. All right, so there we have it. Let's do Resilient. I just can't get over this like rich brown. But we've done a lot of colorful looks. We did a lot of smokiness, and you guys like the smokiness, right? And you can't go bad with the bad brown smoky eye. I'm gonna start with my finger first and just kind of place that on my eye. Why am I not liking that as much? I don't like that as much. I thought I did, but I don't. You know what? We're going to cut the crease. Even though it's already on there, I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to pop Honest with my finger right on there. Like a small pointed brush from Profusion. And I'm going to take the shade Confident, which is this deep purple shade. And I'm going to pack it right here on the outer corner and the inner corner. I'm going to take a little bit of this Limitless, which is a black shade in here, and just kind of pounce it right on the outer corner. I really want a little bit of depth. How am I going to do the other side? I'm like so scared of doing the other side now. So here's what we have with the lashes on. I did go in with the Dollar Lash Club lashes. This is in the style Ivy. So now we're gonna move into the face and finish up the rest of the base. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with, because it is super hot and muggy, I don't have any other choice, I need it. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Active, or no, All Nighter Ultra Matte. And I swear you guys, this stuff works. We are going to be going in with the FARSALI. This is the SKINTUNE Blur. This is my second bottle of this stuff, I think. I love this stuff. So that's probably way too much, but oh well. Just to mattify the skin, I'm going to go in with the COVERGIRL. This is the COVERGIRL True Blend. Again, I've talked about this one so many times because I've used it so much here on my channel. I'm only taking a little bit. I do like this one. I don't think it works as good as the Matte Ambition Primer. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my sponge really quickly, but today's foundation we are working with is the L'Oreal FRESHWEAR foundation. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this, but I am gonna mix a little bit of the NARS ARUBA, NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I think I got the color right. Damn, Steph, you good, you good. All right, I saw a tag going around and I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to try it. And I'm getting ready to film after this, so I don't know when this video will go up because I'm pre-filming right now. You know, my Sephora, like my fantasy wish list from Sephora, and you can spend $1,000. I was playing around with it last night and looking at everything. I went over. I just started adding stuff into my cart, and then when I looked at my cart, it was like $1,500, and I was like, oh shit. The problem is that at Sephora, I can add 2 Pat McGrath palettes and a hair curler and be like, okay, there's $1,000. For concealers, I picked out my NARS Radiant Concealers. These are actually part of my monthly makeup basket, so I do have 2 of them. And these are not only just part of my monthly makeup basket, but they're also a part of my, you know, project pan. And I have to say, I've been trying to use it more because I feel like I've been really diving more into other beauty sponges recently. And I'm not super keen on the Beauty Blender anymore. I feel like I really, really love my Real Technique sponge more than anything. For a powder, I am going to set everything using the Beauty Bakerie powder. This is the shade Yellow. Bake a little bit. Why not? I was going to use this powder, but I feel like this is way too dark. I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl one. This is the one that I pulled in my Shop My Stash. This is the CoverGirl 725 Buff Beige. We're going to be playing with the Cheerleader palette. This is the Benefit one. I'm going to take a mix of Dallas and Hoola and use that to bronze up my skin. I like these palettes, but I feel like these palettes sometimes, like I only use like a couple of the shades in them. I think Benefit would do so bomb. Maybe it's just me. If Benefit did like customize your own palette, like where you paid the price to this, but you got to put in your own shades, I would buy that. I don't know. There's something about my base today that I am like loving. I don't know what I did to deserve this. I know Mercury retrograde or retrograde Mercury is like intact, but she's being nice to me. All right, let's go ahead and highlight. I'm going to go in with the shade Tickle, and I'm going to use that to highlight. For the eyes, I'm going to dive into Brave, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line. I think I'm going to try doing it here and here, just like that. And then I'm going to take Sorbet and pop that right in the center. I'm going to keep the waterline bare, and I'm just going to go in with the nude liner on the bottom. And then I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. So I'm actually going to finish off with the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is called Play It Cool. And I think I'm going to use this to do my lips because I kind of like doing like a cooler lip. So the hair is fixed, everything is put together. You guys, it was very simple. I literally just threw this up and called it good. That is today's throwback tutorial. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I hope you guys had fun just hanging out with me for a little bit and spending some time with me. I always appreciate when you guys take a little bit of time out of your day to come and support my small channel. So before you guys head out, please make sure to give that video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will consider subscribing and hanging out with us. We have a pretty good time here. So I love you guys. I will see you guys all in my next video, but if you guys want to catch up on any other videos that maybe you missed throughout the week, I will link some here for you guys to check out as well, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.